So we literally made it to the roller skating place and we were in the parking lot. We realized we had gotten there a little early. We didn't know how, we thought we were supposed to meet there at 4 and it turns out the email said 4:30, so we got there a bit early. But then we got there and we were about to like wait to go in and whatever. And then I started feeling around and I was like, oh my gosh, where's my camera? Because I had brought it out, but turns out I didn't. So we left it at home. So then we came back and now we have the camera. And now we're going back to the roller skating place. We have been sitting in front of this Kate Skates for 30 minutes. No one shows up on time. Typically, we're the late ones, or we're some of the late ones.
Me and it's not
because you're here. Is that someone beside us? Is that someone we know, or is it? Oh, thank goodness! It only took you 12 hours.
Shut the heck up,
I'm sorry. That was perfect timing. We've been sitting here for 30 freaking minutes.
I don't give a care.
Emma, we've been here for 30 minutes.
We were stuck in traffic.
Is that how you greet? Sorry, I'm
Yes,
pointing.
you say hello. That's why it's so confusing.
Only
for me here.
because we
say
hug.
You do that to someone, you get weird looks.
And here it's like, oh, hugging. You're like, oh, whoa, we're not here already. If we hug someone, you're really close to that person.
Oh look, now everyone literally decides to show up right now. Where the heck have you been? Wait, you've been here too? Wait, wait. Have you guys been sitting here too?
Yeah.
We've been here for 30 minutes.
Oh, we've been here.
We've been right there.
Oh, really?
The whole time.
Sorry, what's that? It's my camera. That's weird.
Wait, you haven't been in it yet.
No, I don't even. Oh yeah, I do watch them.
Did you just like almost say you didn't watch them?
Yeah.
I'm hurt and offended.
I don't think I watched your last one. So sorry. Big fan.
Pretty nice.
You're like really soft.
You're velvet. Ooh. Oh, they just did One Direction. I know, I'm screaming. I miss them so much.
I need them back now.
You look so uncomfortable.
He's saying I can't cross my arms.
I never said that. Never said that.
I'm sorry, what?
You can, of course, always.
Everyone babe, okay?
She does. She calls everyone babe.
I call my sister boyfriend babe.
Look at that hair.
Look, it's so short.
It's so short. It looks so good.
She got like this much up.
I went to the hairstylist for the first time by myself.
Ooh, by yourself.
I didn't tell anyone that I was doing this, so I came home to my mom, and my hair was just gone.
Oh my god. It looks
First
amazing.
words out of her mouth was, "What possessed you?"
Everyone's changing up their hair. We got bangs. We got short hair.
I love it so much.
It's so cute. You guys getting ready?
I'm struggling.
You've never skated before. No. This is gonna be funny.
Yeah.
Emma, we can get him one of those little walkers that they have.
Oh my gosh.
For kids. How does it feel?
Really weird ones. They're squishing my toes and I ran out of.
That's because they're too small. Get a bigger size.
No. There's like a weird foam at them.
Oh. Well, why not try to get a bigger
I
size?
don't mind that at all. They feel okay. It's just also I ran out of string.
You what?
I ran out of string.
Oh, you ran out of lace.
But it's fine, right?
Yeah, they look fine. What is happening?
It's like when you're lagging.
You're lagging in a video game?
I said Lauren looks adorable and hot and amazing, but she can also cosplay a white mom now. I'm like walking through a store asking for a manager.
Yeah, you don't even need that wig anymore.
I know.
Yeah. You just knocked her over. Good job, Emma. I was dancing. I got that on video. That was amazing. You okay? You okay? Yeah.
Poison ivy.
Oh, no, touch me.
I'm not contagious.
Don't touch
It's
me.
healing.
Ooh,
You think that's bad? This isn't heal. Oh my gosh.
You have poison ivy too?
Yeah, we got.
Why does everyone have poison ivy?
Niall had some pants just like these.
Niall has pants like these.
Yeah. I'm glad I look like Niall Horan. What? What's happening? What do you think sarcastic about? I said, good job. That sounds so sarcastic.
It does. See?
How's it going? Is he okay? You don't like it?
No. What the heck? Why are they not aligned?
Oh, you need roller. You like do roller blades? He doesn't know how to do either.
What the heck is that? How are you supposed to have balance for that?
You may like being in the same room with them, everything, but the time will come when you just want to slap them as much as you humanly can. In not a fun way, okay? Yeah. In not the fun way. So, well, you can slap them other places. We're not talking about that right now. But the main thing is, every night you gotta just be like, you gotta clear things up. Even if you're like, you gotta be like, hey, listen, I just want to make sure, like, I care about you. Everything's good. Yeah. Every night. And I know you're saying yes, just say yes.
No, it's good advice. Thank you.
It will pay off.
Thank you. It's good advice.
And just try not to yell at each other. But like,
Haven't done that yet. You have experience in that? You yell at
yes, all the time. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I have so much yelling. It's terrible. Such an abusive relationship.
No. Don't you say that.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
No, it's
I'm kidding. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Stop it.
Blink if you're not laughing.
You're fine. Yes, I'll admit that.
No, what if she's lying? What if Sean's what we should be worried about right now? He's like Johnny Depp! It's like Johnny Depp! Sean's the one who's being blink if you need help. Blink! Oh, you're fine. Okay, story time. You know the guy who just punched his friend for asking for my number? Yeah. So his little brother with AirPods in just skated up behind me, said he likes you, and then skated off, and I said I kind of noticed, and he started cackling. You have to tell the story about what happened. I didn't video it. So I was skating by, this guy did like this and then pointed to his friend, and his friend like sucker punched him. And then later on I'm skating by, and this little kid in AirPods skated up behind me and said he likes you, and I said I kind of noticed, and he cackled and like skated off. He looks like he's 13 years old. So. He said hit each other if you get mad. Like date him. Like date him. Nah. It's only me.
I'm not gonna say that. Thank you for taking.
It's already in the blog, so it's too late now. You guys both did it at the same time. Just stop talking. Just stop talking.
What? I did nothing.
You just went. Yeah, you went.
No. No, I didn't. You give me that one. No.
Yeah, I do give you that.
I didn't do anything.
Sure.
Have someone ready to number? All right, my dice are going to roll the dice.
Oh, I don't know how to do this.
It's my number. Number 4. If you're on number 4, you are out. And number 4. All right, anyone knows when to call a number, but choose wisely and number. All right, number 6. If you are number 6, you are the only one to
Are y'all
play the
out?
game. Everyone else, please step up over to the property area.
Are y'all out? Aw, so sorry. So sad.
Please stay under your number until the
They're in. Lauren and Kinsey are in. Lauren and Kinsey are in the game. Are you guys out? They're still in. That's hilarious. Shirt and the shorts would be the same length. Ready, here we go.
roll the dice.
Here we go.
4.
That's them.
All right, number 4, you are our winner.
Oh my god! Go big! They won. That was a really short game. Good for them. You won. We won. You guys won. I got it all on camera. Wow. What is it? It's a dog. What'd you get? What'd you get? Candy cane. Hey. Congrats, guys. Is there a water fountain? It's fine. I know what I'm doing. He said, Ellie, careful, and he gave me this face. Oh, you got it? You're supposed to pass that along to someone. While skating. Not me, I've already done it. Hey, Lily! Hey, little hands. You gotta take it off and put it on someone else. What's up?
No. We just good.
Why you guys acting so weird?
Nothing at all.
Courtney!
Oh my.
How you doing, Caleb?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
That took you a little while. I just started dating him. I don't want him to die. Did you guys get food?
So salted. It is really. Oh, it's so good.
I'm so salty. You didn't tell me about this. Oh, you're ready? Yeah, I am. Oh, look, here she comes. Hey. I smelled the food. You look so angry.
I don't want people to be able to find
Who's
me.
this pretzel?
I look angry?
No, not you. Sean, I'm gonna eat some of your pretzel. Okay, good.
And I can't answer. So you can bring
I almost just said no.
if you want. Did you just do that?
No, it wasn't him.
Oh, you want to fight? What did I do?
He can't even stand up.
What did I do? He's my boyfriend, right? So he's on my side.
He complimented my shoulder. Y'all do your thing over there, please.
Sean, I didn't know you were the fight starter type of person. You know it. You know it.
I love
Hey. Do you like the cheese? You don't? Is it not fancy enough for you? I do.
Beautiful. Look at it.
The cheese or him?
Both. So you food.
Is it a light?
So you're the same?
No. Him food.
Aw, you barely made it. No, I wasn't even vlogging! Emma, you're gonna get us kicked out.
So when he does it, everyone laughs. When I do it, we're gonna get kicked out, Emma.
He literally did this much, half of it.
And half of it. Like part of that.
You're fine.
Just if it makes you feel better,
Hey,
actually,
if we get kicked out myself, kicked out, that'll make good content for the vlog.
Now we're Logan Paul.
That's my thumbnail. We went from David Dobrik to Logan Paul. Well, though I guess David gets kicked out of everywhere too, so it's kind of fine. Hey. I'm trying to get Lily falling, but she hasn't done it yet. Hey.
Don't stop it long and give a big pause.
Yeah, I know it's yours. Everyone's so tired now. We had so much energy coming in. She's ugly. Aw, she's ugly. That's going in the vlog. Aw, she's ugly. Lauren, yes, yes. Caleb, yes. Kinsey's all the way back here, but this is fine. Hey, Kinsey did well. So cute. So good. You tried. Bravo, bravo. Good job. Yeah, that's right.
That smile.
I spent $10 to sit on a bench.
Why didn't you skate?
Because I'm tired. I've been doing flips for 2 hours. Thank you very much.
Hey, yo, let's skedaddle. Let's get what? I'm glad I get this in the vlog.
Okay, fam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Turn it around and face yourself.
Oh, and then I get.
No, not like that. You do this. Oh, guys, we have a sunroof. We're flying high. This is the height of luxury.
I can see the sky.
Hey, bye.
You're pretty.
No. That's what they all say. Hey, love. Oh, this is scary.
That is actually terrifying.
Scared the crap out of me.
Other tall guy.
Oh, Gabon goes to the other side.
people
Scares
problem.
So horrifying. I didn't know he was there. Golden hour.
Some drinks for you guys.
3898. Golden hour, babe. Actually, the lighting's not as good as it was before.
I turned it down. Oh, you guys on the phone? Sorry. So, Caleb and can't look at you.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're driving.
I can't look at you, so.
Oh, I just finished driver's ed.
Hey, so you know I can't look at you now.
Yeah, I do.
You didn't know that before. Have you?
No, I didn't.
Finished. All I need with you. I wish we were supposed to stay in the car. Yeah, you can stay in the car if you want.
I'll be your personal vlogger in the store.
Oh, you're gonna come with me?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go.
Win tonight. Oh! Snap! I see how it be.
Okay, so everyone else in the store freaking ditched me, and I'm just on the mission to find some soda and chips. But the thing is, I don't like soda and I don't like chips, so I don't know what to do. Wait, tell the vlog what
I asked
happened.
where are the hot dogs. This girl just, and I saw her name tag. She worked here. She goes,
Food Lion.
and then the girl behind her answered.
Step up. Oh, Emma, do we need some of this before we go?
Really bad. Oh, yes. I don't know what these people's problems are. They don't like sun drop.
It's disgusting.
It's not disgusting. So Sean's an idiot. He went the wrong way. You're videoing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Sean's an idiot. He went the wrong way. And we're following him, so we're idiots. We're following this idiot. Comes in flying on a
You're
bubble.
gonna look at me and
You're gonna look at me and tell me that I'm wrong.
It sounds like
wrong? Grow up, bro. Grow up.
What are you
This is a very aesthetic arm because of my band-aid. It feels so cool though. It's like it's just sticking. Allie, what faces are you making? You're sticking to my happy faces.
Hey, look who it is! Alex!
Oh my God, you're videotaping.
I'm videotaping, I'm vlogging. You haven't been in a vlog before, that's so weird.
It's like I'm not acting right now.
It's just a vlog. El Natural, baby. El Natural. Oh my gosh, look who it is! Ah! Oh my gosh, it's the demon.
I need to sneeze.
Oh.
I just entered and said, it's this.
Sounds like here. I smell pennies.
Are you an Homeschoolers IRL?
I know.
Carter.
Oh, dude.
That took him a minute to remember what character.
I profited greatly from the show. It was very educational.
Yeah, you profited greatly from the show.
I really enjoyed it. It was a very good learning experience.
It's how we met.
Bonding experience.
Yeah.
Oh, look who ended up with. Oh my gosh, come on.
The most boring things to take videos of.
Wow, you're so good at mine.
I really fired you. Evade you or something. And I got screwed by the dice, as is.
Sister has a low pain tolerance.
Say that
Sun
again.
drop is enough brand Mountain Dew.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Mountain
it
Dew's
is.
not. Now it looks kind of easy. Oh my gosh.
That's, yeah.
So Lily wants to introduce us to her kid.
Chumby. Her name is actually Judy, but she's really fat, so sometimes I call her Chumby.
It's a rabbit. Why do I talk like that?
Have some respect. Have some respect.
Oh, her ears are so soft. I can't wait till the dog dies so she can be an indoor rabbit.
Oh my god.
Mama said no.
Lauren's face.
You've never had goldfish?
For the first time.
What are they feeding you?
really
Are you okay over there?
I eat healthy. I like it.
You're so sad. Let's get a video.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, they're buddies. Oh, and you killed them.
Bro, there's a freaking bat. Freaking bat.
That's freaking.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
I love.
Come back. Come back.
I did that like a few times, but so we'll see. Oh no, I didn't do it.
Wow, Emma.
What?
I don't care. There she goes. Hey.
Ah!
Yes.
Ready?
Yep. Go, Allie.
I'm not ready.
This needs a flashlight on it.
I know.
All I see is the sky.
Hey, someone turn on their phone flashlight.
So they can see
You
Allie.
can't see me.
Because you need to see Allie. Allie is important. Okay, it's getting a face. There you are.
Hey!
Yay!
Getting a face.
My face, we don't
It
really
means
know.
that it's picking up the face.
Somewhere.
At some point in some time.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Hey, I need someone to get me to go really freaking high.
I got a prank.
Yes, I am. I'm the director of Homeschoolers IRL.
I got you, fam.
Wake up!
Here we go, ready?
Yeah,
I'm gonna get on and go back and you come back.
I will push you. And then I will continue my questioning.
I fell. Hey, wait, let me adjust.
Okay, I don't know where to push.
Hey! It's too dark in here. It's not actually this dark.
Why is Govan up there by himself?
Because he can be.
Ouch.
Hey!
That is still inappropriate.
I know, that's why I'm trying to get it added.
Yeah, she's coming
weird.
out.
I was like,
Sean was here. You could join me. Sean was talking about saying he said he needed a tidbit, and so he said, "Yes, give me all of the bit of the tid." Is what he said.
Clint transferred the necklace to. Oh! Now she's noticed. Now she's noticed. She transferred it. Kinsey didn't notice it for like a good 3 minutes.
Who will be her next target?
Ooh.
It's the only song anyone knows.
I put it back on the bag.
On the piano. He started learning it yesterday.
Now we're the real reason why you're dating him.
So Sean was talking and he said he needed a tidbit. He said, I need a tidbit. And he goes, yes, I need a bit of the tid, please. I know.
Why do you do this to me?
No, we don't have any quotes from you, hardly.
There's the last Sean one.
Read it out
Hi, I'm
loud.
Sean. I'm in Canada and I'm looking for cocaine.
It sounds all like tid.
I know, I got it the first time you said it.
That's why it's
First time.
no. That's why it's funny.
Oh, God.
I have to hear Ari one more time. Lily,
Lily. Started up with fun, but he wasn't a match. Even almost got married. And for Pete, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, because he was an angel.
Oh, can you actually see my face?
Yes. Pulling out of bars, I follow you through the dark. Can't get enough. You're the medicine, the pain, the or you can risk it all and see. Don't you wanna get away? You're one of the clowns, or you would finally live a little. Finally laugh a little would cost me greatly. So what percentage of the show would I be taking? I wasn't born this morning. 18 will be just fine. Why not just go ahead and ask for nickels on the dime? 15, I do 8, 12, maybe 9, 10. Don't you wanna get away? Do like I do, so you can do like me. Emma! I don't really know.
I know all of it.
Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles.
Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap?
Taking your outfit now.
Feeling arches with Monica Lewinsky, feeling onions. Coming in peace for the zone. But I still rap like I'm on my hair on munch grinds. So I crunch rhymes, but sometimes will come by. You like
It just cracked. I don't know if you could hear that, but it made a really loud snapping noise. Oh my gosh! No, you should just run around them at the fire playing it. Go!
Roll the memes. It really
This song
does slap.
slaps. Here it is.
I got a one.
She goes.
Yes, this is.
Is this the one?
The day that
Is this
Emma
the Doki
Emma
Doki
wrote
one?
him. Oh my gosh! Turn This is the bad one.
Grace, does it actually, tell me if it actually
Allie, do the song like that's a regular song.
This is the messed up one with the Doki Doki thing.
Put a gun against his head. Pulled the trigger, now he's dead. Life had just begun. can't see anything. It's supposed to be in stars.
You're too light to push.
There's no sun. Go, do it, do it. She's leaving, so she wants to do this real quick before she leaves. Back bend. No, try again. Go, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it.
Too much. I don't have any balance. No. Okay, Emma, we gotta go.
Just fall. Yay! Okay, everyone.
No. All right.
Everyone hum a note. Ready?
Are we chorus?
Hum a note.
Shut up.
On the momentous night of March 30th
Of today.
2019, we are glad to enter into our ranks, or to initiate.
Why do we hire this guy for this part?
Say his full name. You gotta say your full name in this part.
No, he's gotta say his full name. Say your full name.
Humming through the whole thing last
Yeah, we gotta keep humming.
Okay, but quietly so we can still be heard.
On this night, March 30th,
He's dying.
2019, we initiate
Golvin, Raouf, Emmanuel, Jean-Claude, Laurent Dragon.
into our holy and immaculate squad fam.
Immaculate.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Here you go! Yay! You look like Slender Man. In shorts.
You mean the Virgin Mary?
No.
Bye.
Oh, bye!
Bye.
Bye. I'm so glad the light's on because I couldn't see anyone. Anyone around.
You're going on, my.
The heck is that? Do it. Whoa, absolute mad lad. You threw me off my rhythm. Street smart. Bye, Claire.
Bye bye.